So my dear students, in chapter 3 of history, now today we are going to discuss new kings and kingdoms and their administration and what kind of administration they were having. They were having very strong administration. How they were having very strong administration? Because they used to take advice from the Council of Ministers. As today we can see Prime Minister is having Council of Ministers and he is advised by the Council of Ministers. So at that time also the kingdoms of the kings of the south took advice from the Council of Ministers. That's why they were having the strong decisions. And then their empire was divided into 6 mandalams. Mandalam means provinces. So provinces were the smaller area, like they were smaller from the state but bigger from the villages. So their empire was divided into 6 mandalams, means 6 major provinces. And then their mandalams were divided or consisted Valandus. So what were Valandus? Valandus were having several villages. So their empire was divided into 6 major mandalams, means the part that were smaller than the state but bigger than the villages. So Valandus were having the number of villages. So villages were ruled by the panchayat. So at that time also we were having the panchayat system. And the village council means the panchayat minister look after the different type of matters at that time. Like they dealt with the disputes among the people, and also they used to collect the taxes from the villages, and that was the main source of income of the kings at that time. And then they used to deal with the developmental projects also. Then they were having several committees to look after these kind of problems. Like irrigation committee look after the irrigational problems of the farmers at that time. And then they used to hear the disputes also. So they were having the dispute hearing committee also. Also they were having different other kinds of committees that took variety of functions. So village administration was based on committees, and there were different types of committees that deal with the different kinds of problems or matters. Then major thing that was at the time of the Cholas were their architecture, means the style of their building of temples or other building. So as we know, the Cholas were fond of architecture or building the temples. So different rulers at that time made different temples. As we had discussed, Raja Raja I made the which temple? Yes, Rajrajeshwar temple. It is also known as Brideshwar temple. So it was made at Tanjavur. So Tanjavur was the capital of the Rajaraja I at that time. So he built Rajrajeshwar temple there. And also some other temples like Gangaikonda Cholapuram and Aravasta, etc. Some other temples of the Cholas. So Cholas were famous for their architecture, basically for the building of temples. And major features of their architecture. So, example of their fine architecture was Brideshwar temple or Rajarajeshwar temple and also Gangaikonda Cholapuram. So, these were the main temples built by Cholas. Then, the gateway of the temple was known as Gopuram. So, the gate of the temple was known as Gopuram, and the top of the temple, like point that is made on the temple, that we also can see in the temples. At the top there is a spire like shape that was known as Shikha at that time or Shikhar at that time. And then they were very fond of art of molding. Molding means when we put some molten material in some particular shape like thing, and then the material that was put on that particular shape take the shape of that particular thing, in that we have put that material. So the art of molding was encouraged by the Chola rulers, and the fine example of this art of molding was image of Nataraj, and also they had some images of bronze and stones. So how they used to make? By the art of molding. First of all, they took a shape to take a new thing, and then the molten material like bronze material in molten state was put into the mold of Nataraj, and then after cutting that mold they find the image of Nataraj. So this kind of art of molding was famous at the time of Cholas.